Hello, my name is Bobby Graham. I'm here with Step One Buick GMC of Pensacola, and today we're going to go over the backup features for the 2026 GMC Terrain AT4. So you can access your backup camera through the normal reverse method, or you can access your backup camera through your 15-inch touchscreen display camera button, where it will give you access to the 360 view, your normal backup camera view, and your trailer view. Then you have your active backup camera, where you can adjust the display and you can adjust the zoom on it. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Bobby Graham. If you have any questions about the 2026 Terrain or any vehicles on our lot, come see me here at Step One Buick GMC of Pensacola, or you can contact me at 850-280-6223.